Okay, next question. Globalization has the largest effect on A, politics, B, the economy, C, employment, or D, business. So what globalization refers to is basically the opening up of a global marketplace where countries are more interdependent on each other, and there's less so this idea of independent or isolated or domestic economies, and more so an idea of this web of interconnected economies that make up the global economy, right? And so this is primarily applicable to the economic concept of international trade, right? The idea of comparative advantage or specialization, that as you open up more trade, you allow people to specialize in things they're good at producing at low with a comparative advantage in, and they don't have to produce as much, and they can trade for goods they have a less of an advantage in. That's what globalization really applies to. And so we can see that globalization is a very economically based concept. It probably affects politics, employment, and business as well. But it affects the economy most of all because it affects the trade balance, it affects what types of goods or production that a country's industries focus in, and by extension, it will affect the rest of the options given. And so B is going to be the best answer here for sure. Let's take a look at the previous year's answer. Previous year said that the globalization is a word used to show the interaction between two or more than two countries for transacting goods and services. It increases the interdependence between two or more than two economies, the area where all the activities related to production, consumption, distribution, and trade of goods and services occurred by different economic agents like individuals, businesses, and governments is known as an economy. So we can say that globalization has the largest effect on the economy, where politics, business, and employment are parts of an economy. Therefore, option B is the correct option. Yeah, sure. I think that kind of sums it up. Yeah, so that'll be fine. And nothing inherently wrong with that, so we'll just agree with that and mark that as correct.